Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, I've got an incredible tip to share with you for dealing with bed bugs. Rubbing alcohol. We all know how stressful and terrible a bedbug infestation can be, and typically, eliminating these pests involves losing a lot of money for professional services. But here's some fantastic news. If you're on a budget and prefer a DIY approach, rubbing alcohol could be the perfect solution. In this video, we'll investigate whether rubbing alcohol is the ultimate answer to getting rid of those bed bugs indefinitely. Furthermore, we'll walk you through the straightforward steps of using this solution to get rid of those pesky bed bugs. So, without further ado, let's dive right into the video. So what is rubbing alcohol? Rubbing alcohol, also known as isopropyl alcohol, is a clear, colourless liquid with a strong odour. It's used for various purposes such as cleaning wounds, disinfecting surfaces, removing adhesive residue, and as a cooling agent. It has antiseptic properties and is commonly found in healthcare settings and households for medical and cleaning purposes. Can you use rubbing alcohol to get rid of bed bugs? Yes. Rubbing alcohol exhibits a dual effect on bed bugs. Firstly, it acts as a solvent, effectively dissolving and damaging the protective exoskeleton or outer shell of insects. This weakens their defences and leaves them vulnerable. Secondly, rubbing alcohol acts as a desiccant, meaning it dehydrates the bedbug by drawing out moisture from their bodies. This desiccation process proves lethal to the bugs, leading to their death. As a result, rubbing alcohol, or isopropyl alcohol, can be used as a do-it-yourself method to help get rid of bedbugs. The alcohol's solvent and desiccant properties can be effective in combating these pests, particularly when applied directly to them. In case you don't have rubbing alcohol on hand, there's an alternative DIY method using vinegar to get rid of bed bugs. For more information, you can check our video on vinegar and bed bugs that I'll link in the description below. How to use rubbing alcohol to get rid of bed bugs. Using rubbing alcohol to get rid of bed bugs involves careful and targeted application. Keep in mind that rubbing alcohol is flammable, so avoid applying it near open flames or heat sources. Also, never use rubbing alcohol as a repellent on your body or skin. Here are the steps to follow to get rid of bed bugs with rubbing alcohol. Step 1. Identify infested areas. Before starting, identify the areas where bed bugs are present. Check for signs of infestation, such as live bugs, eggs, or tiny dark spots. These would be bedbug feces on the mattress, as well as the bed frame, headboard, and nearby furniture. Step 2. Gather supplies. Ensure you have a spray bottle filled with rubbing alcohol. Opt for a higher concentration if possible, such as 91% or 99% isopropyl alcohol for better effectiveness. Step 3. Ventilate the area. Make sure the room is well ventilated to avoid inhaling alcohol fumes. Open windows and doors if possible. Step 4. Target bed bugs and eggs. Directly spray rubbing alcohol on visible bed bugs, nymphs, and eggs. Pay special attention to crevices, seams, and folds of mattresses, as these are very common hiding spots for bed bugs. Step 5. Bed frames and furniture. Treat other areas where bed bugs might hide, such as bed frames, headboards, and nearby furniture, by spraying rubbing alcohol directly into cracks and crevices. Step 6. Repeat application. Repeat the process regularly as needed to target any surviving bed bugs and newly hatched nymphs. Bedbug infestations may require multiple treatments to be fully eradicated. And step 7. Vacuuming. Vacuum the treated areas thoroughly to remove bed bugs and the debris. Be sure to empty the vacuum cleaner immediately and dispose of the contents in a sealed plastic bag. So in conclusion, by combining alternative pest control methods like vacuuming, steaming, and mattress encasement with the use of rubbing alcohol, you can effectively tackle bed bugs without expensive professional treatments. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you found these tips helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please support us by liking and subscribing to our channel for more DIY pest control tips and tricks. If you're interested in more natural approaches to eliminate bed bugs, check out our video on using tea tree oil. It's an eco-friendly and budget-friendly method that can improve your chances of successfully eliminating bed bugs. For additional affordable and natural DIY solutions against bed bugs, visit our website, CiaoBedBugs.com. Wishing you the best of luck in your battle against bed bugs. And stay tuned for more bedbug tips coming your way. See you soon, bedbug fam.